This must be it. Yes, yes, this must be the place. The Bog of Bethel Horizons. Let's get started.
Hello, I'm Phil Bramley.
And I'm James Marlowe.
And we're in the valley at Bethel Horizons. And today we want to show you and tell you about a plant that grows on the north end of our valley.
Skunk cabbage.
Let's take a closer look. Skunk cabbage gets its name from the smell that it produces. It smells a little bit like rotting meat, or in my opinion, a little bit like garlic. That smell attracts pollinators, insects that move pollen from plant to plant. Flies, beetles, and bees are some of the insects that are attracted to skunk cabbage.
This native perennial herb of wet, shady areas and swamps is a particular favorite amongst insects such as paper wasps and blowflies.
Skunk cabbage is its common name. Its scientific name is Symplocarpus fetatus. It is in a small group of plants that is known as thermogenic, meaning it produces its own heat. That heat attracts bugs. It's like a stinky hotel, a warm, stinky hotel for bugs.
Skunk cabbage is actually notable for its ability to generate temperatures of up to 20 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit above air temperature. This is done via cellular respiration, which is really just the set of metabolic reactions and processes that take place within the cells of organisms to convert chemical energy from oxygen molecules and nutrients into usable energy and then release waste products.
Because it produces its own heat, it is one of the earliest wildflowers to bloom. That heat will allow it to melt through snow in the late stages of winter.
In very early spring, tiny green flowers are produced at ground level in a knobby 3 to 6 inch long green-purple inflorescence.
The outer purple part that is mottled with green and yellow is called the spathe. The inner part is called the spadix. The spadix has about 100 petals on it. Later on, these plants will grow really big green leaves. Skunk cabbage grows in wet, swampy areas. The range of the skunk cabbage is eastern Canada and the northeastern United States.
Skunk cabbage is part of an order of plants known as water plantains, and the order is called Acylamatales. Now, these plants are native perennials, so they will come up once every year. And what's kind of neat is that they have these contractile roots, so they grow deeper and deeper into the ground. The stem goes deeper and deeper in the ground, and the new plant will grow on top of the old one year after year. The rhizome of skunk cabbage can be nearly 30 centimeters thick. A rhizome is a continuously growing horizontal underground stem which puts out lateral shoots and adventitious roots at intervals. One of the reasons skunk cabbage has that kind of stinky smell is because it produces a compound known as calcium oxalate. Now what happens is the plant, it's absorbing calcium and other nutrients through the ground, and that calcium metal ion can be toxic to the plant. So what it does is it combines it with the compound oxalate, and then it sequesters that compound in the leaves, and that is part of what gives it its stinky smell. Oxalate is a waste product produced by the body. Many metal ions form insoluble precipitates with oxalate, in this case the example being the calcium ion, Ca2+. And watch out, calcium oxalate also happens to be the primary component of kidney stones. Hey everyone, thanks again for joining us for another outing here at Bethel Horizons.
Be well, everybody. Go outside every day, and may the peace of the wilderness be with you.